Hotep family, I just wanted to share this little kit that I got from Dual Purposes. It is the Cleanse and Protect kit. It is so cute. It's packaged so well. I love these kits. These kits are for anyone who practices meditation, spirituality, manifestation, any metaphysical, anything that you practice in the metaphysical world. This is what this kit is for. It is packaged really nicely. It looks nice. I love it. I've been waiting on this little package for a long time. So this would be the first unboxing of it. It has everything included for 3 days. So it has the instruction scroll, the Palo Santos wand, the selenite crystal. You have 3 charcoal tablets, 3 pyramid candles, one for every day or night, whichever you choose to do your meditation. It has the rosemary oil and the cleanse and protect incense that you would burn on your coals. So it has everything you need in the kit to get started. That's what I love about it. It's so compact. It's nice. It has everything you need for a 3-day cleanse, because that's the amount of time you're supposed to do, the 3 days in a row. And it is it's just very nice. So let's get into it. This is the first time I've opened it, so let's just take a look at it. Let's see, let's get this out. Okay, let's see. The box says we have our scroll, our instruction scroll. You tell you how and what to do with everything. You have the Palo Santos wood wand and to smudge your energy, the negative energy, out of your space. You have the black sand to put on your coal. Yes, we have the selenite crystal. This one comes with the selenite crystal, so you'll have that when you're doing your ritual. It comes with the 3 pyramid candles. It has the little plate inside and the rosemary oil, and is 3 candles, one for each night or day, depending on when you do your ritual. And this is the cleanse and protection incense that comes with the package. It is a mixture, a blend of incense, resins, and herbs that's specifically for cleansing your space. So it's all there for you. So you would burn your charcoal that comes in the bag here. You would burn your charcoal. You get 3 in the bag, just like the candle, one for each night. And that's what you would burn your incense and your cleansing resins. Okay, and you have your sand dollar. That is very beautiful. Isn't it pretty? Look at the detail on that. That is so pretty. So that's it. That is everything in the kit. They have thought of everything for you to have in your kit, including the pyramid, the little plate for it to burn on, to melt on. Let's see. Put that out there. That is so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I just love it. That's it. That's everything in the kit that you would need to do your rituals with. They even thought of the matches for your coals. So, Dual Purposes, they are doing it. This is the Cleanse and Protect kit. They have the Hex Removal kit. They have all types of kit. The Love Spells. They have all types of kits. And I'm excited to get my next kit. So, that's it. That's it in a nutshell.